Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey friends, welcome back to my organization. Today I'm going to show you how to make microworm within 5 minutes. But first, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon for notification, and give me a thumbs up and do a nice comment. That's all. Do it early. Please do it early. Okay. Now we am going to make microworm for guppy, molly and platy fish. We need plain water, we need yeast. You can buy it any grocery shop, from any grocery shop. We need a one-time glass or any kind of glass mug or anything. We need a rubber band. We need a plastic and some hole on it. We need white bread. Okay, it's very cheap. And the last but not the least, we need microworm culture. I have a video uploaded in this channel, how to culture microworm without any starter or without anything. In this video I am going to use this culture, but if you don't have this culture, you can comment here, or you can go to description. I have also a video link there, how to culture microworm or how to culture microworm starter without a starter. So please visit those videos and watch this. First I'm going to open this. Now please follow me. Do as I do. Okay, it's ready. I use here 1.5 piece of white bread. Now add some water, not much, just little. Then some yeast. And now add the microworm starter. I build it with potato. So just I think it's enough for my microworm. Now mix it well. Okay, it's almost done. Now cover it. Okay, now put it in the dark room. Don't use any light or anything like that. So friends, see you after 10 days. Okay friends, after 10 days I am going to show you how microworm look like. But first, click the thumbs up and go to the comment below, and please do a nice comment to inspire us to make more videos. And if you don't subscribe yet this channel, please subscribe. Okay, after 7 days the microworm looks like this. I don't know you watch this or not, you can see it or not. Million of microworm are grown here. Million. Very soft and very little. Now take it like from here like this and give it to your fish. You can use it for guppy, molly, platy, and also goldfish. It's high protein and also very good for health, and the fish like it very much. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Please do comment, like, and also subscribe the channel. Thanks.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?